Included person has fallen prey to a two-headed serpent with no regard for the laws of life and death. The laws of life and death is you live and then you die. So unless they're resurrecting people,
ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Pow, 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 pow. Electrify.
It's electrifying.
ooh, spicy.
Ooh, you can really dance.
There should be a way in right around where you were standing or some shit.
Let me just flip the shit. Ka-ching.
Why do you have a switch that blows stuff up?
Wouldn't you want that?
Right, nice switch. Okay, so maybe I rigged some explosive during the last visit.
Yeah, yeah, I would.
That's got to be the least ninja infiltration Quill has ever done.
What do you mean? I ain't no ninja.
I ain't no Nino.
I ain't no Nino. I can't see jack jit. I might actually steal that because that's awesome. I can't see jack jit. Okay, so there's red, green, and blue shit.
Oh, those are from Mega Man.
Yeah. Bah, bah, bah. Bah, bah.
Oh, so I gotta just have to turn it on. Gotcha. Okay, that did not help me. Heating boost. Go down here? Go down here.
Oh, it's the color of the shit is the color thing you can activate. Oh, hello there. Okay. That's radical.
Radical Rex.
You're gonna do that every time.
You're
And
gonna
you
do it
had
every
no
time
idea.
too.
You had no idea what it was until I showed it to you, which is even the best part to me.
Okay, doggy.
Ookie doogie. I love that. It's so dumb. Oh! 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 Antar.
Hi.
I figured something out.
What'd you figure?
So, you know how you have your skills that you can do with your right stick, right? Look at the bottom left. See how it has skill with like 3 things?
Yeah.
I think that is like, you can only do 3 skills before it has to recharge, not including the cooldown on the actual ability. Yep, because it just consumed one of those things to do that.
Yep, I saw it. Again,
That's what it is.
that's why you have to have other people sitting right next to you to tell you how shit works.
Oh, hi, what are you?
Dead. That's what he is. Bye. Bye.
Holy goddamn, what? Dude, that's rad that it's hitting the screen.
You know what? I'm so used to shit being bootleg and being on screen at all times, I literally just ignored it.
Gotta kill 4 more targets. 3 more targets. More targets.
They're dead. Mission and wait. Got it. Got it before the mission
There
ended.
you go.
Haha.
We the best music.
Okay, bye.
Hey, at least you can see sometimes. That's all that matters. Pew 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 pew. Light.
Oh god.
Oh god, there's spikes. Shooting gudu.
Shadoogadoo.
I don't know. I just said some random shit.
What?
Just jumping and then do it, and like nothing happens. You're just like, huh? Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da.
I did not mean to do that. I mean 1,000. I really did not mean to do that. It's cool though.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's all kosher.
Well, I don't know if you're ever gonna reanimate.
Probably never again.
Ba 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 ba.
Okay, thanks. So helpful.
Oh.
What are you owing at?
You have to talk to Jewel before you enter a stage.
Why?
So, like, I don't know. But all I know is apparently you gotta talk to her, and then it can trigger that stage. So it only lasts that one stage. So you gotta talk to her again, so it works on the next one.
Fighting y'all.
Yeah, so theoretically what you're supposed to do is talk to her, do a stage, talk to her, do a stage, talk to her, do a stage. So you get your free god mode.
Oh, cool.
I just was like, I'm gonna look this up, because like there's gotta be some trick, right?
Oh, I think it charges over time. The skills.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
I wasn't sure if skill, like kills or anything like that, charged it up, or if it was just over time. Yeah.
Level up.
And you leveled the f up. You need more scales.
I need more power.
more quantum power.
I need more quantum power. Bitch. Platforming.
Oh no.
We're gonna pretend for a second that I do actually like platforming. Because I do. Hi, goodbye. I'm not fighting any of you. Zach, come back. Back here.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Oh, well, let me go back up. That's fine. Alright.
I love how he couldn't tell because, you know, no vision. Such a skillful gamer, using his electro powers for good.
Evile. I told you once that I would totally have electrokinesis. Electrokinesis
Oh, yeah.
is awesome.
It's a good power. No 1 minute every time. But no, that's honestly a cool thing. I love electro shit. I love fire. Like, that's always kind of cool to me.
Sparky shit and flame shit.
Yeah. Sparky shit and flame shit.
Okay, gotta go find
I have done a lot of dumb shit regarding with fire involved.
We are not gonna talk about that.
You're not wrong. We are not going to talk about it. Statue of
I can only imagine the
limitation.
zebra just went. What did you do?
Nah, I didn't do shit, dog. Green, blue, then red.
I don't. The problem is I have to get them all to do the same one color.
Huh.
Because last time I had purple, right?
Oh.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, green, red. That didn't work.
So shoot those and then do it here.
Perhaps if I... That did not work.
You're just gonna try to do it, then damage boost through it?
No, I was gonna try to, so it doesn't keep my tags if I walk off screen.
Yeah, correct. And you tag that even though it's destroyed. Yeah, so you want to tag all three and then do it. Like, even if it's on, do it.
Oh. Are you gonna eat me? She looks scared out of her wits. She's gonna eat me. I'm on the side of justice.
I'm Gunvolt.
Don't worry, I'm on your side. The side of justice, that is.
Don't worry, I'm on your side. As long as you pay.
She must be important to have gotten herself thrown into a place like this.
Gotten herself into a throne.
Reading is hard!
Gotten herself into a throne in here. Can you shoot her? Oh, never mind. Oh, is that the hexapile, the door?
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
I went back for the girl.
Go!
Shut up, Ashley.
Oh.
Oh, God.
My head.
Here, it all happened here.
This is getting, like, one face away from hentai.
Shush. No one's gonna say it. And then she bolted into the blue.
That's not what that says.
But that's the one thing that you're like, that's not script as written. But what are you doing? But like, I was making a joke like bolt out of the blue, and you were like, well, that's not what's written. It's just really funny to me.
I remember now. I'm here to eat you.
I'm here to mortar.
I told you she was gonna eat us. Oh.
Oh!
Gemini! Hey!
I like it.
Well, yeah, you Gemini.
Shut up. What?
Hey, wipe that smug look off your face, alright? You're not getting a threesome. You're not getting a threesome because I'm about to get a threesome. Except there's gonna be a much more bloodshed and me shooting them. But not a money shot.
Get on with it.
You know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna kill him with my gun. I would love it if there's like, I need a game where they just have like Dante level like humor, right? But they just over-explain the joke.
I would love it.
Make a character action game that's me doing that.
And his taunt is him saying, "Where's my taunt button?"
Where's the taunt button?
I wish I had a taunt button.
I have 3 taunts. Where's the taunt button? I wish I had a taunt button.
Get on with it!
Yes, get on with it!
Did I say 3 taunts and say 4 things?
Yeah, you did. Absolutely.
Okay.
I wasn't gonna say anything. I was gonna make Zebra make you look like an idiot. Okay, why are you on the pole?
Because I told you.
Undie.
That whole.
Someone wants this.
That
Someone
threw
wants
me
this.
all the way off.
You all the way off. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way off.
Confused. I'm all the way confused.
It's not me. I'm all f***ed up now.
How did you get your stuff? Oh god.
Snack. And they smacked the shit out
I
of
don't
you.
like
God
Surge
damn.
Snake. Surge Snake sucks.
Don't ask what I was going for there, because I wasn't going for anything.
I was just saying words.
My brain, my brain wanted to make YouTube poop.
I'm sorry, no?
Dude,
Have you considered no? Get in the middle. Both of you get in the middle.
Both of you come here. Well, that was cool.
Stop it!
Ah.
I don't like that shit. I don't like it one bit. Oh. I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but rock does not conduct electricity that well. Stop that.
Hitting the bull. Hitting the bull.
Oh my god, stop.
Almost had. You have to literally kill them like within the same frame, almost. God, oh god, oh god. Oh god, oh god. Kill them!
Y'all suck.
Good,
Kadoka Magica.
give me the shit.
Mission sadly completed.
You've played Final Fantasy 15, right?
Yeah, why?
Yeah. I had the thought of like the weapons appearing like that and then disappearing. I was like, oh, he just got another royal arm.
That is my favorite mechanic. Period. Let me just
The
switch
royal
weapons
arms?
right quick.
I love them because the best part about the royal arms is they're like, oh, they limit your you lose health when you use them, and I'm like, I don't care. But like you didn't actually lose like health, but you could regenerate the health. It's one of those things where like you lose health, but you regenerate it back.
I'm 1,000 with you. Do not remember that. Ooh, Mizuchi.
But yeah, no, it's one of those things where like it damages you, but you can recover all that health back. So if you like went to a rest thing, like in the fight, you could just sit there for a second and regenerate all back and then go right back into the fight. So I would use like all of my weapons except for like maybe one was a royal arm, and I would just use them all.
Ooh, rival character?
Glaive sample. That makes the third.
What?
Third.
Third?
Septisome.
I said a third. The third is the word.
A third is a third. Da, 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 da.
Why don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird.